Hey folks, we are tracking two tropical depressions, number 13 in the Atlantic Ocean and number 14, there's 13 and 14 in the Caribbean, likely being Laura and Marco later tonight or probably tomorrow. Those are the next two names on the list. They're planning a weekend rendezvous in the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to talk more about that in a second. That will be somewhat unusual. In the meantime, look to the north, severe thunderstorm warning just north of the valley. We'll get back to the tropics in a second. Just to the west of Corpus Christi, just south of Alice. Thunderstorm in that area, kind of pushing off to the southeast. Like last night, most of this stuff dies before it gets to the valley. You can see on Future Track it goes away. We will continue watching. I think for the most part it's a dry night, and tomorrow another mostly sunny and hot day. We hit 101 here in Weslaco today, so above average today. And then tomorrow probably about the same. And I think on Saturday things don't change much. Partly to mostly sunny again and very warm. We're forecasting 98 for a high, and we're forecasting dry conditions for the next 36 hours or so. By the time we get to Sunday, Monday, we're bringing that chance of rain back in again, at least a decent shot because of the tropics. It'll depend on the movement of the tropical system. We'll show you those in a second. In the meantime, 100 right now, McAllen, 98 in Weslaco. And again, as you look at the next 3 days, our average high is 97. We're going to be above that at 98, then 96 on Saturday, and then 95 on Sunday. So let's get to the tropics. System numero uno down here. It's actually depression number 14. Looks more impressive on satellite than it did yesterday. They flew a plane into it and found that it's a little farther south of what they originally thought, about 155 miles east of the Nicaragua-Honduras border, and moving off to the west-northwest. Now, the Hurricane Center takes it up to hurricane strength or tropical storm strength by 2 o'clock in the morning, and then suggests that it goes over land, lifts to the northwest for a while, then back to the west-northwest, reaching the Yucatan Peninsula sometime early in the morning on Sunday, and then eventually coming out in the Gulf of Mexico by Monday. Now, the window gets pretty wide, as you might expect when you get that far out. You get 5 days out. There's a lot of possibilities, and the models are still somewhat all over the place on this, but you see the window's pretty wide, so we'll track that and let you know, but we're kind of on the edge of it. The edge is a good place to be, although a third of storms go outside that window. All right, here's the other system. This is number 13 that's way out in the Atlantic, but take a look at this one. This is likely to become a hurricane over the next 5 days, and that will be in the Gulf as well by the time we get to early next week. So we may have two systems in the Gulf of Mexico, and we still have another coming off the coast of Africa with a 40% chance of development. So you're going to have to watch all that. We'll look at the recon, look at the spaghetti models and all that coming up in the next half hour. Tonight, 76. Mostly clear and warm. We'll watch those showers to the north. Tomorrow, back to 98. Plenty of sunshine. A hot day. Should be a dry day. Saturday should be dry as well. But as we get into Sunday, a slight chance for a shower shows up. These pictures right here with scattered showers and storms will all depend on the movement, primarily of depression number 14. We don't think 13 will be an issue, but 14 could. So we'll watch. Keep you updated as we head into the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.